Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are on 23rd of March, afternoon analysis. We are on the middle of the week exactly, and the trades are just going up and down. All right, as classic on Wednesday afternoon, we are covering dollar index gold and US oil, these three main actors of forex trading, how they are moving and what they are showing us in recent hours. All right, let's start with dollar index. As you can see here, dollar index is just trying 98 and getting closer to 99 level. But this is kind of like, as you can see here, a tight channel. It's just becoming a tight channel in a dollar index side. Let me show you how a tight channel is happening. We can just show you on here. The trading is just getting in a tight channel. So that means we should see something really high, or we should see something really like a low on close term. Why I'm just saying that? It means that stock market, and it's just like a kind of no volatility, cause these volumes are just decrease, and a sharp volume entry is just heading to high or low level suddenly. That's expected. It's probably will happen in the coming hours, in the coming days. So the one reason for dollar index is rising because expectation from Fed officials is rising, and US 10-year bonds are rising so fast, and 30-year bonds as well is testing really high levels. So people are just betting on these high levels because inflation right now, even not at the beginning of this rate hike, 0.50 is right now, and the next meeting probably will be 0.450, and that's important. On Fed Monday speech, Powell's speech, he said we may deliver more than 0.25% more than once. That's important. So they are not only talking about May meeting for 0.50. Couple of times this may happen because inflation is 8%. That's something has seen in the recent decades. All right, let's look at gold numbers.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, as you can see here, gold is moving fast. It's just going up and down, but in a tight channel. As you can see here, this level and 1935-36 level, it's kind of making a struggle for gold on downside, and it is trying to push 1950, but the reality of interest rates is just heading, and it's just crushing the volatility. They're just crushing the rally on bull side. It's because gold doesn't have any interest income, but these days 10-year bond interest, the real yield is really getting higher, and that's expected to go higher. That's bearish case for gold investors. As long as we see gold at these levels, then we can expect to go down a little further. At least 1875 can be tested in coming days. That's the scenario. But in long term, of course, like there's a lot of money in the market, so M2 circulation in the market is high. We may test these levels in the future, but for short term, and this level is being tested, and go down slide is possible in the coming days. Let's look at oil. All right, as you can see here, US oil is heading to new highs. It's just going forward, it's just going higher and higher each day, and making $100 level is a base level. So people were expecting with Venezuela, with Iran, with other things, we'll just solve like talks with those countries, we'll solve the problems, but it's not happening. And this is creating more inflationary environment for these commodities. But still, some good news, some good news. I'm just saying that at least it's not making these kind of big jumps. It's making small rises, and these levels like in 113, like 113 levels, at least this resistance is keeping it at these levels. But still, Russia problem goes on, then there will be a lot of problem in long term. That's inevitable, and we should see some good progress on that side. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and we will cover more charts with you on the coming days. As always, stay safe and trade cautiously. Thanks so much. Bye.